So here we need to find the integral I is equal to, that is the given expression, where I is equal to minus 1 to 1 2x cube plus 5x square plus 6 dx. So this is the given expression for the problem. So using the Gaussian quadrature method with 2-point schemes, okay, with the 2-point scheme, the Gauss points are plus or minus 0.5774 and the weights at the 2 points are equal to unity. So this is the given problem. Okay. So now using the Gaussian quadrature method, you need to find. So as we know that the Gaussian quadrature method, where it is f of x dx is equal to weight 1 f of x1 plus w2 f of x2. So this is for the 2-point schemes. Okay. So here in these problems, where weight w1 and w2 are be unity, it means where having w1 is equal to 1 and w2 is equal to also 1. And the points, like we are having x1 as same plus 0.5774. Okay, it is given in the plus or minus, and for x2 it is minus 0.5774, right? These are the values are mentioned, and also there is an expression for this equation. So that is f of x is equal to 2x cube plus 5x square plus 6. So now using the Gaussian method, we have to find the solution. Okay. So now here first we will calculate this w1 f of x1. So where w1 f of x1, that is equal to weight 1 into, so this equation here the value of x is 0.5774, you have to substitute. Okay, so it is 2 into x value is 0.774 cube plus 5 into x square value again 0.7774 square plus 6. Okay, make this as in the flower bracket. Now make this calculation. From this take both the equations. So we got 8.052. Okay, similarly we'll go for one w2 f of x2. Okay, so here this will be x1 you have to represent, right? For x2 we will make the calculation. So again w2 is 1 into, we'll open the flower bracket, 2 into minus 0.5774 whole cube plus again 5 into minus 0.5774 square plus 6, close the bracket. Okay, so here this is cube. Okay, here it is plus, so there is no effect here because all value will be get positive, but here it is minus, so minus into minus into minus, so it becomes minus into minus, so again plus into minus, you are getting minus value here. Okay, that you have to make very clear. So it will be minus 2 into 0.574 cube plus again here minus into minus, it will become plus, so there is no effect here, again plus 6. So after that what will be the total answer? Let us check. we are getting 7.282, okay, for W2 f of x2. So now hence we can say the sum of these two, like W1 f of x1 plus W2 f of x2, that is first one will be 8.052 plus 7.282. So this is equal to 15.334 is the solution. Okay. So thank you for watching.